Clean air isn't just a luxury, it's essential for your family's health and comfort. Did you know that dirty air ducts can significantly reduce your HVAC efficiency? Our air duct services in Dependable air duct and dryer vent cleaning, Apollo Beach ensure not only a clean environment but also optimal performance. We conduct thorough inspections and comprehensive cleaning to elevate your indoor air quality dramatically. Don't overlook the importance of dryer vent cleaning. Neglected vents can lead to dangerous fire hazards. With our expert team, you'll receive reliable, professional service tailored to your specific needs. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs and keep your HVAC system running smoothly. Imagine breathing easier knowing your air ducts are in expert hands, enhancing every breath you take. Reach out today at Dependable air duct and dryer vent cleaning for fast, efficient service that truly makes a difference in your home. Breathe confidently, less dust, fewer allergens, and a safer home with our air duct solutions.